power clean using dumbbells. So we will start in a quarter squat, and the best way to explain this exercise is with a side view. Here's my quarter squat. I generate force with my legs. I have to use speed. Watch my feet, and then watch me go underneath the dumbbells. Up, and then I catch. I show you power clean. And then I catch. Show you a front view. Quarter squat. Heels up, and then I catch. Coach Julio tip. When we are using the dumbbells, you don't want to swing the arms out. This here to your shoulder. So I'll show you Coach Julio tip. What you don't want to do is this. So the quicker we can get the dumbbells to rest in our shoulders, which is called the front squat position, the more efficient our movement is going to be. Enjoy the exercise.